Welcome back to my fragrance channel. I got good news and I got bad news. The good news is I'm at 56 followers on YouTube, subscribers on YouTube, and I'm at 67 followers on TikTok. The bad news is there's no bad news. Give it up. We're gonna do it up. Appreciate everybody for following and watching the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, follow. I appreciate everybody who supports the channel, and I appreciate the people who even watch. If you're not subscribed, I would appreciate if you did. All right, today I'm unboxing Intense Addiction by Fragrance World. This is a dupe for Addictive Vibration by Initio. I smelled Addictive Vibration by Initio, and I gotta say that scent is lovely. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna see if this one adds up with the original. Let's see how it goes. I'm gonna unbox it like I usually do. First, I gotta give you the notes though. So the top notes are apple blossom and orange. Middle notes are vanilla and orchid. Base notes are honey and musk. That honey scent is very interesting on the original. I smell it. It's very intriguing. Let's say that. Let's get into the unboxing here. Okay, you see I got the box from Fragrance World. All right. We open it up. Get the packaging. Okay, that's out of there. Kobe, right hand. Cool. Get that out the way. But let's see. This box is usually tricky. Okay, there we go. You slide up. Real nice. And this is fire, the black and the red. This look like kind of like a pair of Jordans, right? Maybe like a Jordan 11 box or something. I don't know. This is kind of fire. Let's put it in the air, man. Let's see what we got here. This is good. What I say about this, when I smelled the original, I said it smells like incense. It's almost like an incense vibe, but in a good way. Yeah, this is good. And now I smell the honey and the vanilla with the orange. You got to get this. I didn't even put it on the skin yet. You got to pick this one up. This is very good and it's almost 1-to-1 to the original. And now I'm going to put it on my skin. Let's not keep y'all waiting. Right here. Yes, it's very good. To me, now I'm not going to say this is a crowd pleaser. Some people may not like it. Somebody might love it. You might like it, you might love it. We don't know what side of the fence you're going to be on. But to me, this is good. 1 out of 10, I give this a 8. That said, I would say that this is definitely better for the winter, but you can rock it in the summer, just don't overspray it. I believe a woman or like someone feminine can wear this as well as someone masculine. You could pull it off. It just depends how you do it. I paid about $30 for this one, $35. Don't pay more than $40 for this bottle. Thank y'all for watching my fragrance channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow, share, like, do everything. When you see this, just react, all right? If you're watching my videos and you're not subscribed, please do. If you watch this video and you're not following, please do. I appreciate it, all right? Thank y'all for checking me out.